morning, guys. It's a good day, a good morning here in Africa. My good name is Brashibi, and welcome to my channel, guys. So today's video, we are going back to Grandma's home. Yeah, we are going back to finish the cleanliness that we started yesterday. So if you've not watched the previous video, the yesterday's video, please go back and watch the video. Then you come and watch this one, guys. Or after watching this one, go back and watch the yesterday's video. And I'm starting this video in my home, my good house here. And so that's it, guys. If I get money, you hear there's some echo, but if I get money, in case I get any money, I'll come and furnish this house. Look at this house. I will start furnishing the house, but maybe I start with the kitchen. But for now, I'm planning to uh, buy a good phone. So my first priority now is to buy a good phone. So in case I get any money right now, I buy first a good phone so that I can buy household equipments. So that's it, guys. Stay tuned, watch this video up to the end, guys. Thank you so much, guys, for your support. I don't take it for granted. Thank you so much. Continue supporting, guys. Thank you, guys. So watch this video up to the end. So guys, we've already started the work, as you can see here, and today we shall be doing from this side upwards, and maybe at the kitchen garden at the back of the house. So that's it, guys. Stay tuned. Watch the video from the start to the end, and yeah, so that's it, guys. Guys, we are transforming the place. Masageso. Guys, look at this bridge. Where?
The bridge itself. You have to go and pull me. Come and pull me now.
You will fall down.
Come.
Utaanguka nini? Guys, look at Fema crossing the bridge.
You refuse to come and pull me here.
Haya. Hapo sasa.
The person who sells sugarcane is not here. Mgani? Huwezi mpata sahi. Ile miwa yake mistaki.
So guys, let me end this video here. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you for watching this video. And remember to leave a sweet comment. Tell me what you think about the video. And like the video, subscribe. And don't forget to watch the next video, guys. Thank you so much. Love you guys.